The second question comes from a nail professional in New Zealand and from New Jersey, United States. Both asked me very similar questions. They asked this: what about removal of nail coatings using acetone? Does acetone penetrate into the skin, and are there any studies that show that this is harmful? Well, into the skin and through the skin are two very different things. Acetone does not penetrate through the skin or the nail plate to any significant amount. Small amounts can enter into the upper layers of the skin or nails, but because acetone evaporates so quickly, the warmth of the hand causes very rapid evaporation, which drives the acetone quickly from the nails and the skin. Before it leaves, the acetone will bind with some water in the upper layers of the skin or nails and cause the water to vaporize along with the acetone, which dries the surface. This is why acetone will temporarily dehydrate the surface layers of the skin and the nails. It doesn't dehydrate all the layers of the skin and nails. That would be impossible. This is just a temporary surface effect. If you wet the skin or nails with water, they will reabsorb water to rehydrate these surface layers. Rehydration is the opposite of dehydration, and both can happen quickly. Now, except for water, acetone is the very safest solvent that can be used in the nail salon. And in fact, there's really no fact-based studies that I'm aware of that demonstrate that acetone is not safe for salon uses. It's been used in salons for many, many years, and acetone has a long history of safe use. This is likely why it continues to be one of the most important solvents used in salons. It's both safe and it's highly effective. Of course, acetone is highly flammable as well, and it must be kept away from any kind of sources of heat, sparks, or flames. No one should smoke when using acetone, nor should it be used near any candles or incense burners or anything like this where it could catch fire. And acetone should not be heated using a microwave, a stove, an oven, or any kind of electrical heater. It can be gently warmed by placing small amounts into a loosely capped plastic bottle, which is then submerged into warm water. The water should be no warmer than what a jacuzzi would be, which is about 40 degrees C or 104 Fahrenheit. Making acetone warmer will also make it more flammable. Why? Because it'll evaporate more quickly and produce much more vapor. Acetone vapors are what catch fire and burn, not the liquid. So when you make more vapors, you create a greater hazard. So be careful when using the solvent to avoid a buildup of high amounts of acetone vapor. Acetone, like many professional nail products, should be used in a well-ventilated location, and flammability is one of the main reasons for this.